Central Virginia. It doesn't get any bigger than this. Saturday night, September 26th. Your wayward sons? Well, they're coming home. The definitive Aerosmith experience teams with the world's largest Ozzy Osborne Black Sabbath tribute show for one night only. Blizzard of Ozzy with Pandora's Box. Saturday, September 26th at the historic Beacon Theater in Hopewell, Virginia. With very special guest, HalfBrother Sid. Get your tickets at the box office or www.thebeacontheaterva.com. Blizzard of Ozzy, Pandora's Box, and HalfBrother Sid are coming home.